In today's video, I am going to teach you how to upgrade Figma to Organization Plan. First, open your browser and head to Figma.com. Log in with your account, and you'll land in the file browser. This is the main dashboard where you see your files, projects, and teams. Take a moment to confirm you are in the correct workspace if you manage more than one. Next, look to the left sidebar. Find and select the View Plans option. This opens Figma's plan page where you can compare what's included in each subscription. You can browse here without committing to anything. So feel free to scroll through and get familiar with the differences. Now choose the organization plan. This plan is built for businesses and larger teams that need advanced permissions. Robust design systems, guest access, and admin tools for governance and security. As you review, compare it with the free or starter tiers so you understand what you gain. Especially around centralized libraries, user management, and audit capabilities. If your team collaborates across multiple projects, needs stricter access controls, or wants scalable design system management, this plan is designed for that. Before proceeding, note that the organization plan requires a professional business email. Use a company email address rather than a personal one. Have that ready. Since Figma may prompt you to provide it during the upgrade flow, check the pricing details carefully. Costs typically scale with the number of seats and the features you enable. Think about how many editors you actually need and whether monthly or annual billing aligns better with your budget. You can explore these options here without upgrading just yet, which is helpful for planning. When you are ready, follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your selection. You'll enter billing information, review your plan details, and complete the upgrade. Take a moment to double-check the workspace name, the number of seats, and the billing frequency before you finalize. Once confirmed, the organization plan will unlock enhanced collaboration tools and admin controls for your account. After the upgrade, invite your team members to start taking advantage of the plan. Add colleagues using their business emails, then assign the right roles and permissions based on what they need to do. Editor, viewer, or guest. Set project-level access so only the right people can edit or view sensitive work, and establish shared libraries or design systems so your team stays consistent and efficient from day one. That's it. Thanks for watching.